When it comes to construction, fixing the roads is something most Michiganders want, right? But some drivers in Lansing say some of the ramp closures are putting drivers in danger. Darylyn Horn spoke with a few of them. She's here to tell us what MDOT is doing to help.
That's right, Sherry. The ramp detours have several drivers voicing their concerns about the lack of signage, warning drivers to slow down here on US 27 near Kalamazoo. One mother says she's lucky she had her eyes on the roads when exiting there, avoiding a distracted driver from rear-ending her at a high speed.
I actually haven't driven this route in since that incident.
All Michiganders have a story about driving on the roads, but tonight a mother is thankful she's alive to tell hers.
I keep having weird flashbacks about it.
Last Thursday, after picking up her two babies from daycare, Jaylee Clark exited 127 North to Kalamazoo Street and Homer. Once she came to a complete stop, she heard tires burning and then saw this.
The screech was so loud, so I looked back and I realized I had about a few seconds to react, not even, to swerve at the opposite direction of this other car that was coming towards me and my kids in the back.
Grateful that things ended differently, she believes the driver was not aware of the detour.
Just having two little kids, I've lost a baby myself, so I wouldn't want anyone else to go through that.
She took to Facebook to make other drivers aware. The post has gotten almost 1,000 likes and hundreds of comments, catching the attention of other drivers.
I've seen a bumper-to-bumper accident.
Alexandra Dodes saw Clark's post and shared the story with MDOT.
You don't know that the cars are all going to be at a complete stop at the lunch hour or at 5 o'clock traffic or even morning traffic when people are coming into town.
Now, MDOT says it's adding more signage since the detour to Kalamazoo Street will stay in place during bridge construction at the Saginaw ramp, which remains closed.
We are working on optimizing the signal timing there heading northbound on Homer.
Clark says she's glad the community saw her concerns as valid and that action is being taken to make this ramp safer.
Sometimes maybe things just get missed and just one post can change and make a difference.
Now, MDOT engineer says he's grateful the post Clark made on Facebook and hopes more drivers in the community actually read it, but also read the orange signs on the sides of the roads moving forward.